Yeah, hi, this is Jeevan from PySpiders Rajajinagar. One of our students got placed to a company. He is going to share his PySpiders experience. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Rajkumar. I'm studying B.TECH IT at final year in Global Institute of Engineering and Technology. I'm joining in PySpiders at month of January. I'm studying manual testing with Python. And I learned everything about in Python in manual testing, and also in Python, Keshav sir has taken the Python class. He taught about all the concepts. Manual taken by Pradeep sir and Niranjan sir. They also taught everything, and if I ask any question, they will never hesitate to clear that question. And SQL was taken by the Murali sir. Murali sir taught all those things and how to communicate with the different database. Like this, he teach all those things. And internship was I done a company called RoboVace. In RoboVace, I learned how the real projects working. Our seniors give creative to us. Based on that, we test the software. Here, I experience the agile methodology, how the companies are working in agile methodology also, and what you do yesterday. These kind of things I learned in internships. Then Selenium. In Selenium taken by Lakshmi Pradhan sir. In Lakshmi Pradhan sir was taught all the Selenium concept with the short time I period. Why? Because I attend one grooming in Selenium. Grooming is enough to crack an interview. If you study well in grooming, it is enough to crack the interview. And Jeevan sir has improvement. He taken an internship. In the internship, they taught all those things, how to do automation testing, how the NLPs are working. He taught all those things, and he will explain how you perform in real company. He explain all those things. It's very helpful for me, and
All the best, man. Do well, okay?